Hello guys, so we today travel and make that how our train works. So we go here now. We have one bogie in our train back in Thomas train. So we stop here. So you see what we need here? We need one other bogie. So now they are connecting. So we go there. Yes, we done it. Okay, now speed up. We go. We are on the way. Okay, so there no bogey is up to here because the mountain is here. So we use this only the Thomas perfect. Okay, now we going. So up to go. If something not make sure not your train fall down. Okay, now here. Okay, now to right. Now to right again. So we left again. Then we go here. Reach here. We done it, bro. Okay, let's celebrate. We clear here.
Where
We
to
see
now? The
which
rolling bridge is just there.
which direction we go. So we select right direction. Okay.
Look, that boat has to
What
make
is
an
coming
important
here?
delivery, but the
We
bridge
saw a
is down.
ship here.
Let's wind it
There
up
is
to let them
ship
pass.
space. Ship cross the river. So first we up the bridge.
Good job.
Okay. Up bridge. Now ship crossed. So now we down bridge, down bridge,
We're
down
always
bridge.
happy to help.
We done it. Celebrate it.
Time to pick a new.
Okay. Now we crossing this.
Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks.
The road.
You can
track.
help out by dragging them back
So
into their
one
den.
by one we back them.
Excellent.
Okay. Now you. Now you. Now you. Now you.
We
Done
all
it.
love your train set.
We saved the life of sheep. We see you soon.